The water was up to this level right here. This is where the water ended. So I got the TVs, that's the boiler room over there, and all messed up.
Wilson Iyoko says everything that was in his basement is now useless. All of it gone in a matter of minutes.
When I woke up in the morning, all I was seeing was water everywhere. And I came down to my basement, it was all full up. It was like a pond. So I had to quickly, rally my family up and we all escaped.
Most of the houses in the Auburn neighborhood suffered storm damage after the heavy rain and winds caused nearby Jamaica Bay to overflow and flood the basements. It literally put a damper on the holiday festivities on some of the coldest days we've seen in years. The cars parked outside also damaged by the flooding. Marquise Burrell says after replacing the battery, his vehicle still doesn't start.
But this block usually gets flooded a lot. Like even with it could be like a little bit of rain, it'll be flooded like up there. So that's why a lot of us down here didn't think it would be flooded up to that high.
Residents say they've been vulnerable to flooding since Hurricane Sandy 10 years ago and with every storm since. On Saturday, Governor Kathy Hochul and other local leaders surveyed the damage here and assured residents that $52 billion in federal funding has now been allocated to make much needed and awaited infrastructure improvements.
I hope they're honest about it because they told us that same thing the last time it was flooded.
We need help. We need help from the city. For me to stay here right now, I want the house to be raised up. And that's the only option for me. Otherwise, I'm moving from here. I'm tired of it.